good morning, everybody. We have an empty pan. That's going to be jalapeno cornbread. That's later. Chicken, going to season it up right now, but it's going to be fried chicken. We just got it in the pan. I want to season up, give it some flavor. I'll season the flour too. And then here's the big one. We took the leftover pork chops and the leftover mashed potatoes and leftover peas. I threw an egg in there, some flour. And what we're going to do is we're either going to put these in a casserole or we're going to pan fry them into little cakes. They should be good. I'll let you know. Direct from the cook's kitchen. Bye-bye.